Good afternoon. We ran a bit late. I will try to help the situation and try to not to be very boring to the audience. I will speak about reinsurance. It's a mystic part of the job of insurance business, but not so exciting like all the nice things I've heard today. All tools and methods were dedicated to catch new customers, to improve cross-selling, to improve behaviors of clients, market campaigns, etc. I have to admit that I'm very sorry to be enough old not to be able to use all these tools in an insurance company to execute many ideas I had several years ago. But at the end, all these tools and stuff are in order to improve the sales volumes or to reduce the claims ratios. When all this goes into the value of the company, it means the portfolios, premiums or claims, a different challenge starts. This is the risk management that must be based on a well-ordered database. It is here that reinsurance starts to play its role. No insurance company can avoid the reinsurance. And because, first of all, the risks that the company runs and the capital requirements needed. Now, this works, okay, good. These are the boring items that normally we speak about: compliance, audit and management, reinsurance leakage. All these things are very boring, but strictly necessary. We are producing the X-layer products that manage all these facts with a high technology level. It is important, the third one, the insurance leakage. I met several companies with whom was very funny because they were convinced to manage their insurance very, very well, with no mistakes. Actually, here we have several examples in which the company find out after application of our products, they were doing big mistakes. I will not, of course, now consider and tell you all these things. There are several. You will find in the material. After that, I will mention just the amounts. There is a case of 1 million. There is a case of 200,000, 300,000, 10 millions, 680,000 per year, 2 millions. This is money, good money that's suddenly appear in the balance sheet and of course the CEOs were not really happy. X-layer is a product that is designed for the management and certification of the insurance process of an insurance company. Good also for reinsurers, but I would like to now point out the insurance aspect. And manage all the agreements, treaties, and feed in the results into the financial accounts into the general ledger. What the main obtainable results are: centralize and have an homogeneous reinsurer rules in a single database. Make the users independent. The users are the poor guys that are working in the insurance department, and not put them asking IT department to make a modification in their software, if any. Reduce the timing of insurance closes from months, weeks, to days, hours. This is very important with the demanding timing that nowadays all companies are obliged to follow. Promptly provides the information to executive and senior management that need to in order to improve decision making. Allows to check in details any reinsurer balance This means that the insurer will not start quarreling for nothing or will be easy to explain any result. Eliminates risk of errors in data management, human reconciliations, communications that generate the mistakes we mentioned before. And contains all the data, gross, direct business, seeded and net, to the maximum level of quality, allowing people to analyze the results very quickly and in an easy way. Here we have a structure how it works. Here we have fantastic. Heading in incoming of premiums claims and using the business partners, the insurers, the configuration tables that translate the codes of the premiums and claims into the codes readable by X-Layer, the reclassification rules, the insurance plan, the treaties that the company has, the business partner, all the data referring to the business partner, user and profiling to allow different people in the organization to access to data. The platform make all the calculation of insurance, creating all the data, all the documentation needed, all the technical accounts, fill the general ledger, financial remittances, taking account the account records, age, debt, receivables. All these are new and very important data for the solvency of all the companies and statistics. All major losses, all data extraction on demand, very sexy modules. And a data mart that allow any analytic work by actuarial people or management information system. C Consulting is the creator of this tool and platform. Is a recognized leader by the market. We provide high quality software, solution, insurance processes. It is very specific, dedicated, totally dedicated to this job. And you have to consider that almost in every company, the insurance administration is the last considered thing, is almost the worst managed. And this allows us to have an increase in market. The value of our product is the 130 man years in development, almost 18 years in continuous commitment to reinsurance, 50 people dedicated to our reinsurance expert professionals, more than 30 years experience. All the know-how and skills of the company are in the company. A winning company entirely dedicated to reinsurance. We have more than 60 companies that are using our software. Grew up thanks to attention need to customers who actively participate to the annual user group. We are member of this initiative that starts in France and will for sure develop a better communication among all the partners in the reinsurance sector. We get an excellence and innovation award. The strength is the autonomy of X-Layer, is quick, efficient, and generates savings. C Consulting as a software house put the experience at the disposal of the companies, of the clients, has very good methodology, online support, and the user group, during which we collect all our clients and discuss on yearly basis what improves can be made and what are the following steps for the following years. This chart demonstrates simply that the customers are small companies or big companies. Actually is useful for each and every range of volume of premiums, or I would say volume of transactions. This is a part of one part of our customers, and I would say that is increasing every month. In Spain, just the last one. And we are really eager to propose also in this area of the world our product. Here is my name and the address of the company. If there is anything that I can help and answer, I will be happy to do it. Thank you.